In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in ClickUp. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your ClickUp workspace and that you have a space and a folder set up. We're going to build our database directly inside a list because in ClickUp, lists are where most of your structured information lives. Start by navigating to the list where you want this new database to live. You can pick an existing list that you're already using for a project, or create a fresh one if you want a clean slate. Once you're in that list view, look toward the top of the screen for the plus icon. This icon is how you add new views to your list, and it's what we'll use to bring in a database layout. Click on the plus icon, and a menu will open with different options for adding views. Instead of creating something from scratch, we're going to save time by using a ready-made template. In that menu, click on Templates. This opens up ClickUp's template library specifically for views. You'll see a search bar at the top of the template panel. Click into that search bar and type the word database. This helps you quickly filter the results and find templates that are designed to behave like databases, with structured fields and multiple ways to visualize your data. From the search results, look for the general database template. This is a flexible, all-purpose template that works for many use cases, like tracking assets, contacts, or any kind of records. Click on the general database template to open its details, then click on Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to apply this view template to your current list. You'll now be prompted to give your new database a name. Type in a clear, descriptive name so that you and your team can recognize it easily later. For example, Client Database or Content Library. When you're happy with the name, click on Use Template again to confirm and create the view. After a moment, ClickUp will load your new database and automatically present you with multiple views of the same information. You might see a view grouped by frequency, which organizes items based on how often something occurs, a classic database table view for spreadsheet-style data entry, a board view that organizes items into columns like a Kanban board, and a list view for a simple linear overview. All of these views are connected to the same underlying database, so any changes you make in one view will be reflected across the others.